Hi everyone, in this video you will see how I turn this photo into this painting. In this time-lapse video I decided to paint a Bob Ross painting called Cedar Park, but this time in watercolor. Bob Ross is a well-known figure in the world of oil painting. He is one of the most proficient and the most followed art instructors on oil painting. You can check his YouTube channel where he got millions of subscribers in the description below. At first, you may not see the benefits of reproducing other people's paintings. It doesn't serve your inner creativity and you don't want to be perceived as a copycat. In a nutshell, it looks like a time waster. However, I can tell you that making other masters' paintings is very good practice. And I have to admit, painting Cedar Park was much more difficult than what I first thought. First, it makes your mind switch in order to understand the painting process through which the other painter has gone through. I had to reverse engineer his painting and rebuild the painting in a watercolor fashion. It also forces you to get out of your comfort zone to adapt your way of painting to another artist. I am not a mountain painter and even less a Bob Ross mountain painter. It was a complete new thing for me to study his work, and it was very interesting to see how I would paint this Cedar Park painting. This painting took me much longer than a standard watercolor painting. It was quite a struggle for me. I am very curious about how you will find the outcome. Meanwhile, here is the time-lapse painting demonstration. I'm Remy Lach, and I'm here to inspire you to create atmospheric and mesmerizing watercolor landscapes. At the end of this video, I will show you the photo I will paint for next week. So stay tuned and see you at the end of this painting. If you want to know how to paint atmospheric landscapes in watercolor, I created a free watercolor masterclass video where I film in real time all my process for this painting, and I also explain the biggest mistakes to avoid. To have instant access to this free course, you just have to click on the link in the description below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I am very interested in knowing if you would be interested in a second watercolor study of another Bob Ross painting. Tell me in the survey here and leave me a comment below to tell me how I did. Thanks for watching and see you next time.